and welcome to Share Science. Today we are going to take a break from our Songs for Little series to explore a recent celestial happening known as a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse is a rare celestial event where the moon crosses in front of the sun and entirely blocks its light for a small portion of the Earth, which is called the path of totality. This map shows the path of totality for the recent solar eclipse, which stretched across Texas all the way to Maine. Millions across the United States bore witness to the path of totality and noticed a strange phenomenon where trees were made into thousands of tiny lenses, showing the eclipse in all its glory in their shadows through what's known as the camera obscura effect. Not sure what I'm talking about? Let's find out! For a much larger part of the country, the sun was only partially blocked out. Across large parts of Texas, for example, 80% of the sun was blocked by the moon, which created a dusk-like effect and made for an awesome effect in the shadows of trees. A Share Science contributor in Texas shared this incredible video during the eclipse that shows a shadow from the eclipse cast by a large tree that shows small crescents where you would normally see the shapes of the overlapping leaves. What's going on here? Let's take a closer look. The sun casts light that can be absorbed and reflected by things on the surface. When that light hits something, like me, some of it is absorbed, which we feel mostly as warmth from the sun, but some of it is also reflected. This light can be reflected in all directions. Hundreds of years ago, a curious scholar named al-Haytham figured out that light moves in straight lines, and by carefully controlling light to travel through a pinhole inside a box, he could create an image of whatever he pointed the box at. This is known as the camera obscura effect and serves as the basis of the photography process we're familiar with today. In the case of the solar eclipse, the overlapping leaves create a similar pinhole effect. The part of the sun that isn't blocked by the moon serves as the image, which the gaps in the tree canopy show through as hundreds of tiny crescents on the ground. Similar to the eclipse itself, this awesome effect is short-lived and can only be seen while the eclipse is active for an hour or two. Isn't that neat? We hope you liked today's video. Let us know if you got to see the eclipse in the comments. And remember, you can like and subscribe to get more content just like this in your feed automatically.